I've literally been waiting for this package all day. Also, I'm fully aware that you cannot see my whole face, but we're just gonna go with it. The box is demolished inside of the bag, so great representation. They're pretty though. Okay, so small little backstory. I saw that Hailey Bieber, same girl, she has been wearing these sneakers a lot in like paparazzi photos, and I love the way she wore them because she wore them so many different ways, and they're just a great classic practical like white off-white shoe. And I literally hunted these down everywhere. The Adidas website is sold out. Urban Outfitters sold out. Like everywhere I looked, sold out. But I found them on ASOS, so God bless ASOS. And they look like this. And they are the Adidas 80s Continental sneakers. They're off-white, and then they have like the red stripe on the side. Super classic. I love the way they look, and I feel like they're gonna go with so much. And I'm literally so happy right now. I was tracking the UPS truck all day long, like just waiting, and here we are. Let's try them on. Hopefully they actually fit. A real life look. They fit. Wait, I am actually so happy right now. They look so good. You know those days when you're just like chilling at home and your hair is a literal disaster and like you don't really care? That's the trend we're going for today. Yeah, and I'm just not gonna do anything about it because I'm just really not feeling it. So there we are. I wanted to show you guys though, I just got an Amazon package as well. Today is the package day, clearly. And I got the book Where the Crawdads Sing. I've been hearing about this a lot, and it's like the #1 book on Amazon right now. So I ordered that. I also wanted to show you guys what I got from Whole Foods earlier. I know I like showed like a mini like brief shot of it, but I wanted to like actually talk and show you. So from Whole Foods, I just picked up just like some random things. I actually went there for more of my cauliflower thins. Love these so much, like literally so much. The ingredients are so clean. They literally only have fresh cauliflower, whole cage-free eggs, fresh Parmesan cheese, and literally that's it. Love that. And then I also got some organic red grape tomatoes. I love these with my salmon. Also, I like to put them in my pesto pasta that I've been making. So love these. They just make everything just a little bit sweeter and like yummier. And then I also picked up the split. They just started carrying these at my Whole Foods, and I was actually so excited when I saw that they had these. I don't know why the camera's not focusing. This one has half almond butter, half blueberry spread, and you just cut it open and you can like suck it or whatever. That sounds so weird. I did not mean it like that, but like literally it's just like a little pouch. And super good raw almond butter, wild blueberry spread with organic cane sugar, wild blueberries, and pectin, whatever that is. At least I can pronounce it. 4 grams of protein, 16 carb. Not bad at all. A super easy, like healthy snack on the go. Then I also saw right next to it, they had the RX nut butters. I've also been hearing about these a lot. And what's so great about these is 9 grams of protein. It only has 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half a date. And this is the vanilla almond butter flavor. I've heard great things about this, so I'm really excited to try it, like with an apple or that kind of thing. I love nut butters. They're so filling. It's a great source of protein. So that is all I got from Whole Foods. And then after Whole Foods, I actually went to Kroger and picked up a few things. So I'll show you guys that as well. And then from Kroger, I picked up a big like family-sized pack of some wild-caught salmon. I love salmon for dinners or even like lunch with some greens, some kale, that kind of thing. and I really like this brand. I've gotten it before. The ingredients are super minimal. They don't add any like coloring or anything like that, which I find is a big problem with salmon for some reason. And then I also got some little baby potatoes and 3 apples because health. Also, I briefly want to mention this because if you watched my last video, I actually mentioned food combining and a lot of that stuff. The whole like Kinsey Burke thing I've talked about a lot on my channel. I have tried food combining. It's probably been a month now. The only thing that I'm really noticing that I do not like about it is I feel like it is a lot of carbs. I feel like it's a lot of carbs. And not that carbs are bad or carbs are a bad thing. I just know personally with my body, I feel like my body does not react the best to a majority of my calories like being carbs. For instance, I was vegan for a year and a half, and it's been like 3-4 years since I was vegan. But when I was vegan, I liked it, but I did not feel my best. I found that it was a lot of carbs, and I was actually the heaviest that I have ever been. But that's just for my body personally. I know this Kinsey Burke diet, the Kinsey Burke reset, has actually been really beneficial for a lot of girls, and I think that is great. I think you should always listen to your body and do what's best for you. But for me personally, I don't necessarily feel my best. I have noticed a difference in my digestion, or the specific things I was following for food combining, like the hot lemon water in the morning and fruit on an empty stomach, that kind of thing was really beneficial to my digestion. So I think I'm just gonna continue to do the things that work best for me. But for meals, like as meals go, they're not all gonna be like food combined meals. I've been reading a lot up about the topic, and specifically I was watching this dietitian's video, and she was talking about like how important it is actually to put like a good carbohydrate with your protein, because it allows your body to soak up the nutrients of the protein and the greens if you have a carbohydrate included into it. And I kind of think that might be valid. I found that when I was doing a lot of food combining, I wasn't incorporating near as much protein into my diet, and that was really making a difference on my body, considering how go I am. And like I work out almost daily. I work 8 to 9 hour days at work, and I just find that I need more protein than I was actually giving my body. So that's all I really want to say about this. But I definitely am not taking a hit at food combining at all. It was something that I was personally doing, and I have seen so many girls that it has impacted in a great way. So I think you should just listen to your body, do what works best for you. That's why there's so many of those like diets or lifestyles out there, like the keto, all of those things. They're always gonna work differently for different body types. So I think you should definitely always just do what feels best to you and what you feel is your best like self, your best body, that kind of thing. And this is just me doing me, listening to my body. People act. People act. The only thing about cooking dinner is so much mess. I am the messiest person ever when I cook. And now it's time to do a lot of dishes. So, great. Okay, Google, play my playlist on Spotify, Home. Okay, so every night after I eat dinner and before I start heading to bed, I eat a couple little cubes of chocolate. The chocolate I've really been loving lately is the Hue, I think you pronounce it, salty dark chocolate. This stuff is so good. It's vegan, paleo friendly, no palm oil, no sugar at all, no dairy, no gluten. It's really clean. It only has cacao, unrefined organic coconut sugar, and cocoa butter and sea salt. So super clean. I love this stuff. Like the flavor is really good as well. And so I'm gonna eat a couple cubes of that, and then I'm gonna do my skincare and probably call it a night. Definitely thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Also, if you feel bad for how bad I look right now. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and definitely comment any recommendations you have down below for future videos, anything you'd like to see from me. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.